Hi guys, it's Gordon Attard here. In this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to play and win on PeopleString. There are actually three interesting games that you can play daily, and I will explain in detail how you're gonna do that. Okay, so if you go on in the middle of the page, okay, where there's play games on your PeopleString homepage, just click on it. You have these three games. Let's start with the first one, the Guess Which Hand. I click on it, okay. And this game is pretty simple, okay. It's you've got the rules here. It's pretty simple. You choose which hand would you like to guess, okay. If you guess the right hand, where's the coin, you get the 30 people points. You can play this game every half an hour, every 30 minutes. So I lost, unfortunately, so I can play this game every 30 minutes from now on. It's pretty interactive, pretty easy, and fun too, especially if you have kids or niece or nephews. It would be lovely, this game. So let's pass through the second game. Click home again, play games, and the second game I will show you is the PeopleString prize wheel. So this one, you have a free spin every day. You can have another extra spins when you have a referral direct in your downline, so watch out for that. And of course you can earn till $100 in this prize wheel, so it's pretty good and pretty important to check it out daily. And of course, if you have any direct referrals, check it out once again to spin this wheel. This will be a bit of disturbance because it will be loud, so watch out. Let's see what we got.
Congratulations!
I've got 20 people points. So 20 people points will be added in here in my current month's people points. Okay, these are important because these are the ad revenue that you create on your PeopleString. This will be transferred into money, of course. The third and last game, you can access it through here, sorry, which is People Lotto. Again, this is another interactive game that you can play every 4 hours. You'll see the countdown down here as soon as I play, and you can hardly even win till up to 1,000 points in this game. So you choose which logo you will scratch, okay, till you find the three similar, of course, three similar points. I got 25 there, 25, and I hope that I get 25 or 100. Yeah, that's 25. So I won 25 people points. That again, they will be added in the current month's people points. So apart from those games that you earn, so you play and win, there are also more games in this section. Okay, I leave it up to you to experiment and search and play these games. There are pretty cool games here. Pool, wheel shot, pinball, etc, etc. Really cool games. But this short video was about how to play and win, and those 3 games are important to play daily to increase your daily activity and your ad revenue. That's all, folks. Gordon Attard here. Wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.